Hello everyone, my name is Denise and I'm a product manager at Reforestation. Our mission is to plant 1 trillion trees by 2050. To achieve this goal, we implement innovative tools that allow us to increase our planting capacity. And this is why we created the Replant feature. The Replant feature is the fastest way to plant a tree on Reforestation. With only 2 clicks, any user can plant a tree that is similar to one that already exists, enabling them to reinforce messages and planting actions that inspire them the most. Think of it like the famous social media retweet or repost, but with real-world environmental impact. When you replant, you're not just sharing a tree message and the tree image, but you're amplifying the impact of the original tree. With the Replant, we can count how many trees were planted because of a shared motivation. This way, we're turning individual actions into a visible and collective force to fight climate change. By planting 1 tree, you can influence others to do the same. Using only a few words or even just emojis, your action can start a chain of inspiration across the entire community. This is a way of allowing anyone to stand behind someone else's message. Remember, the original post remains intact, and the original planter's name is always given full credit. We think of it as a way to say, I believe in this too, and I'm adding my trees to support it. So thank you all for taking this video out, and I can't wait to hear your feedback.